Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin tabs in Zen browser with this complete 2026 guide. Pinning tabs is a great way to keep your favorite websites, like YouTube, Gmail, or ChatGPT, always available and easy to access. First, open Zen browser and visit any website. Next, right-click on the tab you want to keep open. From the menu, click Pin tab. As soon as you do that, the tab will become smaller and move to the beginning of your tab list, making it stay in place while you continue browsing. You can pin as many tabs as you want by repeating the same process. If you no longer need a pin tab, simply right-click on it again and select Unpin tab to return it to a normal tab. That's it. That's how you can pin and unpin tabs in Zen browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.